Welcome to Truck and Bus News as we take a look at Hino's latest weapon in the fiercely fought medium-duty truck battleground. This is Hino's new 500 Standard Cab, a truck that's pitched as the smart truck, thanks to the array of safety systems and high-tech features Hino has included as standard. The company hosted Australia's truck media at the launch in Canberra recently and gave them the chance to try out all the safety technology under controlled conditions. The truck comes with pre-collision system, including pedestrian detection and safety eye, as well as autonomous emergency braking or AEB, which reduces the chance of collision on the road with autonomous braking in a range of camera and radar systems that at the very least help mitigate damage if you are involved in a crash. The truck proved it would stop itself and avoid a collision with the mock car in front without driver intervention from a speed of 35 kilometres an hour. Very impressive technology indeed. Hino is also the first Japanese medium-duty manufacturer to offer vehicle stability control as well as traction control, which we were given the chance to try on the skid pan, sliding a tipper-bodied 500 around the track before switching on the VSC and having the truck manage its slides and stabilise to negate any out-of-control manoeuvres. As well as being fun, it was a clear demo of its obvious advantages. Hino's also offering adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning systems as standard, part of its industry-leading standard equipment spec sheet. Powering it's the new AO5 turbocharged 5-litre 4-cylinder diesel, delivering better torque, power and reduced fuel consumption compared to the larger units it replaces, along with the cleanest emissions ever for a Hino in Australia, the company claims. It's derived from the larger AO9 6-cylinder engine fitted to the 500 series wide cab models already on sale here, but with 2 cylinders cut off in what is a modular engine design. The new engine is offered in 3 power ratings with 240 horsepower and 794 Nm of torque, 240 horsepower with 833 Nm, or the top spec 260 horsepower unit with 882 Nm. The engine proved quiet, tractable, very torquey, and a pleasure to drive around the nation's capital and its hilly terrain. It's also the first Japanese truck below 15 tonnes to have a true engine brake, which we had plenty of chance to try on those Canberra hills, and it worked a treat. Hino says that 3/4 of its trucks are now ordered with automatics rather than manuals or AMTs, confirming a market trend, and a 6-speed Allison 2500 series auto is now available across the range. Again, both the autos and the manuals work very well on the test drive. There are now 54 different model variants across the range and a plethora of models, too many to mention here, with 3 different types of cab, including a short cab, a rest cab with a sleeper, and a crew cab, as well as an equally large variety of chassis lengths and GVMs. Inside features an ergonomically designed dash, which has a new, very smart multimedia touchscreen system, all new instruments, and a larger LCD multi-info display. It's really modern and contemporary and is streets ahead of its opposition and will be a strong selling feature for Hino. Another first in a Japanese truck is the availability of the excellent ISRI NTS2 driver's seat, which makes a day at the wheel of the Hino a very pleasant and easy task indeed. All in all, this is a very impressive new truck from Hino, and it's set to sharpen the focus of its opponents in the market. We'll have further reports and test drives over the next few months as we get the chance to sample other models on extended drives, with longer reports available to read in our magazine, Transport and Trucking Australia. Until next time, take it easy and drive carefully.